I've received a bunch of comments as to how to start a print-on-demand business. Well, in this video, I'm going to teach you exactly how to do that. But first, remember to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more. Also, leave a comment as to what you would like me to cover next in terms of either print-on-demand or Etsy or Shopify related content. I could teach you everything you need to know, depending on what it is. So just leave a comment below and let me know. So today, we're going to be talking about print-on-demand. What is print-on-demand? Well, basically, you upload to a certain site, like let's just say Printify, Guten, or even Printful. Printful is one I would highly recommend. That's in the link in the description below. You can also check them out. You can check them out from there. So basically what Printful does, for instance, is that they make a shirt or a sticker for you from the design that you upload to the site, and you actually can connect Printful, the design that you uploaded from, let's just say, a t-shirt, and then you can sell it from Etsy, eBay, Shopify, and a bunch more. So once the customer can see your item on Etsy, let's just say, they click the item on that you're trying to sell from Printful, and then Printful handles everything for you. They handle all of it, the legwork, getting the item to the post office, sending the item out in a great amount of time, basically 7 days or less. They're based in the United States. I believe in North Carolina they have a fulfillment warehouse. They have a fulfillment space where they send the items out all over the country, and all you need to do is just upload the design onto Printful, and then again Printful does everything. They even make the shirt for you. So you pay them a commission to make the shirt, and then you collect the earnings from the sale, and you can determine exactly how much you would like to make from Printful. Now you can be making upwards of $74,000, $100,000 per year if you do this correctly. And also, if you, depending on how much you upload, also of course is going to determine how much money you make. Stickers is a very high margin on Printful, and that's one I would definitely recommend if you want to really start selling on. It's also a bestseller as well on Printful. I mean, let's just say a sticker can cost $5 for Printful to make it up and then send it to a buyer, let's just say. Then you could be making $5, and then that $5 can just accumulate to a bunch more over time. Now I know it doesn't seem like that much to you possibly right now, but trust me, the money really does add up. And using a site like Printful to sell shirts or sweatshirts or stickers is really great for you also, because it's no risk. Essentially, it's absolutely no risk in terms of you actually getting the item out to the buyer. There's no upfront cost for you at all. There's no service fees or anything like that on Printful. You pay Printful only when the item sells, and you can even cancel if a buyer, let's just say, changes his mind, doesn't want to get the item right now, whatever, so on and so forth. Then you can actually reach out to Printful and cancel, and you can actually get your money back within a certain amount of time. Don't get me wrong. Like obviously, if the order is in fulfillment or they're ready to ship the item out, obviously then you can't cancel it. But if, let's just say, something happens within like 10 minutes or 20 minutes, then yeah, sure, you can absolutely reach out to Printful most of the time, and they would cancel it without an issue. And speaking of issues, I'm talking never, ever had an issue with Printful over the years that I've been selling with the particular platform. They've been great. If there was any sort of issue where they sent out the wrong item or some nonsense happened, then they would actually either refund my money or send another product out to the particular buyer. They actually give you an option to do that. So that's great. I mean, really fantastic stuff out of Printful. Also, the quality of Printful is really fantastic. And they use a process called DTG when they actually make the shirts for the customer, which basically means DTG is they make a shirt, and it's basically from a computer. So if there's like a computer print where they put it in the machine and then they come out, it puts a press on the actual shirt itself. This process happens across the entire web. A lot of people have the DTG machine, which means direct to garment. So direct to garment, 1 + 1 = 2, right? It's kind of obvious in the name of what the actual machine does. And the quality is great. I've never had once a customer complain about the quality of the shirt that Printful, gives to the customer. Now, if you have a comment or any sort of negative feedback from the DTG process or Printful, please leave it in the comments, because I would love to know. I've never once had an issue. Not one time. I've gotten stuff from Printful as well, and I love the quality. I really do. They sell Bella Canvas. They sell Gildan, like all the top brands. They're really great quality products. And the same thing goes with the sweatshirts as well. I order them all the time. for myself. I really do. I genuinely like the product. Otherwise, I would never even be talking like this. If I did not like Printful, believe me, I would definitely say it for sure. But I don't have a negative thing to say about it. Here is a bonus tutorial about how to use Printful. All right, so the first thing you're going to do is go to printful.com, and you can sign up right here on Facebook, sign up with Google, or sign up with Apple. Or you can also sign up with your email. So you're going to click that one right there. That's the one I would personally recommend. You're going to put your full name, email, and then make a password. And what you're going to say is, I agree to Printful's terms of service and privacy policy. And once you have made your account, you're going to see the dashboard right here on the side. So what it says is My Printful, orders, product templates, file library, stores, branding, billing, statistics, warehouse, affiliate. Here are the most important things to know. Orders, right there. What are the orders that are coming in? You're going to take a look right here. Now, of course, on this dummy account that I just made just now, there's no orders here, but on my main account, there are literally thousands of orders that appear right here with all of the information that you need. Product templates right here. So basically you can edit templates for your designs. File library. There's not going to be anything here because I just made this Printful account just for this video here, and it has all my file libraries right here. So basically all you have to do is just put in a new file. You just click that. You can also drag and drop your files right to this place right here, and you can also use sample files. So you can also connect to stores. So this is extremely important. You see, you choose your store's platform. So you see it says Shopify, Etsy, WooCommerce, Wix, Squarespace, and a whole bunch more. And that also includes eBay, TikTok, Amazon. There are so many platforms that you can choose from. And so you can connect your Etsy shop, which just takes a few minutes. And also they give you the full tutorial of how to connect your Etsy shop right here if you need to know all that information. But basically you can just click connect to Etsy, and all you need to do is just allow access to your Etsy shop, and that's all you need to do to connect your account with Printful. And so once you connect your account, then basically, as it says right here, assign products and upload print files, and that's it. You just upload print files, and then you make the particular items for your website, for your Etsy shop or your Shopify store, and so on and so forth, and you are ready to go. It's just that simple. And so, as I said, you can also choose others as well, like Squarespace, BigCommerce, Amazon, and so many more. Big Cartel right there, eBay as well, and you can also do ShipStation, Store Envy. There's just so many to choose from too, and you can also choose to put all of your items in every single one of these too. Now, branding. You can also pick how you're going to have custom packaging inserts. So basically you can have the most beautiful packaging that Printful can design for you, which is really great in terms of branding. And you can also have inside and outside label printing that Printful will actually design for you. You can have custom notes right there, like little thank you cards, side and back embroidery for hats as well that can have your brand name on it. And so this is extremely important if you want to really expand your brand and have more people know exactly who they're getting the item from. And so now let's click My Printful right there, and let's take a look at all of the items. So as you could see, we have t-shirts, hats, mugs, and a bunch of other things to choose from. So let's just take a look at this Bella Canvas shirt that you could be selling yourself. You see how many colors that this item has. It has a ton of colors for you to choose from. For instance, it has a bunch of reviews that you can also take a look at as well, where a lot of people are raving about this particular product. And there are other products as well that you can also choose from when we're dealing with Printful as well, such as this glossy mug. Now, there are a ton of other items as well, such as stickers too that you could choose from. So you could see right here, we have a bunch of items like the enamel mug, the white ceramic, the wine tumbler. Look how many items you could sell right here. Water bottles, coffee mugs, tumblers, coasters, postcards, notebooks, fabrics, towels, pet products as well. Take a look at this. You can have engraved pet ID tags or bandanas as well. You can also be selling eco-friendly products. In terms of men's clothing, you could have t-shirts, all over shirts, polos, tank tops, 3/4 sleeves, long sleeves, embroidered shirts, and a bunch more. Jackets and vests too that you can design as well right here. So many items to choose from. Denim jackets, Champion packable jackets, windbreakers. Take a look at that one. That's really a bestseller right there. Also, bomber jackets are really fantastic depending on the season. We also have Letterman jackets, which are even better. We have bomber jackets as well right there. Just so many to choose from right here. We also have bottoms, underwear, leggings, shorts, pants, sweatpants, and joggers. Now, for women's clothing, what we have is sport bras, swimwear, and we also have t-shirts as well for ladies also. And we have leggings, skirts, shorts, pants, and more. Kids and youth clothing. I mean, look how many items that you could choose from. It's really great. It's really a great tool. Printful is to sell products from and choose from as well. So take a look at this also. They have canvas prints, posters, frame posters, flags, metal prints, and so much more. I want to take a look at these canvas prints for all you artists out there as well. Take a look at this. We have a thin canvas with all these styles to choose from, 24 by 36, 12 by 12s. And we look at this one also. Wow. I mean, this is really great. These are relatively new. I don't remember even seeing these. Yeah, they are new right there, it says on Printful. So that's just really great that they have this to choose from, all these particular items. We have flags. Also for like sporting events, tailgating, puzzles. Take a look at this too. We have make your own jigsaw puzzle at $15.95. You can have a markup about $30 you could sell those for. You could be making around $15 per puzzle that you sell. Really a great markup on some of these items. We have beanbag covers, pillow cases, and pillows. Coffee mugs, other ones that you can have a really great markup also. Let's take a look at this. So you have a regular glossy mug, $8.95. You could sell those for $19.99 or even more. Also $24.99 for a lot of brands out there also. And take a look at this also. The white glossy mug is only at $7.95. And you could be selling these for $7.90, or I should say $20 or even more than that. And we have holiday decor, wooden ornaments. You could be customizing these wooden ornaments, and you could be making like, way more. I could tell you that much from $7.95. Really just so many items to choose from, and it's really just awesome that Printful has all these choices for you as well. We have also aprons, and the list goes on and on. You can connect all of these items. So let's just say you want to sell an apron. Click on the apron right there, and you see we only have two colors for you to choose from. And then what you're going to do is you're going to click start a new order, and then you press basic order, create order right there. And then right here, you drag and drop your design. You can also add text, add a file, add clip art. So you want to just have a little clip art just for the sake of this video. Obviously, it may not show up because it is a black shirt, but you get the idea. If we just press white right there. All right, so we're all set to go. Press continue, and it's ready to go and ready to be sold. And so really just a fantastic tool that you can use when we're talking about Printful. It's extremely easy to just go on Printful and design these things for yourself, whether that's on t-shirts, mugs, stickers, and a bunch more. There's a bunch of things that you could sell yourself while using Printful. And so I really hope you guys and ladies out there understand how to use Printful and how to drop ship print-on-demand products a lot better. If you like this video, please leave a like, comment, and hit the notification bell for more. Thank you so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you in the next video.